Good. How was his steering stuff here?
Out at China Wall Trail 6.
Now we can turn back around.
Doing some serious single track on the old Black Diamond trails. And I'm talking serious. This is the side of a cliff. Mamma mia. Dropping down into a beautiful, lovely stream. This is your host, Billy Bob. These are the boys. There's the Yamadogger. Kia. You hear that rattlesnake? You guys hear that rattlesnake over there?
Where?
Right over there.
I want to see.
I don't know if you can see them, but you can hear them.
Point them out.
Dima! Dennis!
Yeah. Take a look how much gas Pedro has. You said he was running in Idaho all the time. It's just horrible. His engine off.
Dr. Ellis?
What's up, Bill Bob?
Some narrow shit out there, ain't it?
You know, it's poison up, getting several balls on this fucking gnarly right there. I would guess like half of what we gave him.
Let's take a look.
And we're level.
Oh, we're good. He's gonna make it home. A-okay. All right, this is Kia and Billy Bob signing off.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, over and out.